Look at that beautiful sunset. I guess that means we gotta get a sunset intro. Saving the planet, one dinosaur bone at a time.
Tighten that alignment bolt, but the inside one on the left track came loose again. I gotta tighten it up.
My dad's talking about is, you see these lugs? They're riding to this side. If you look to that side, they're not touching, and they're touching over here. That means it's not aligned. And we gotta tighten the bolt because it came loose. And then that should fix it.
Neighbors have arrived. Looks like they're going to start selling their Sunday corn too. Yeah, theirs probably is better than ours. On the combine's off. I think it said 22. It's more like 26, which is why our neighbors have quit. Theirs is about the same from what I heard. So they decided to park their combine. Okay folks, got to get the dryer going again. Time to preheat. No. Say 2 minutes. And start. And the fan's going. It's full. Good deal. Now let me take y'all out there and show you what I found in the bin. Folks, so when I got in the bin, I found about 6 birds. You can see one of them right there on the top. And all this junk, which is just nasty old grain. But what the birds did, I think, is they built a nest in the top of the grain bin. Right up there. And it stopped that scatterer up. So, no bueno.
Opening up a new field. I can't show you my face because YouTube gets mad that I'm 40 years old. Obviously. Okay, let me explain. If you're new to the channel, YouTube doesn't like me actively operating this. So whenever I'm actively operating it, I can't show my face because, well, we wouldn't want them to think that I was endangering children, because that would just be a terrible thing. Just for the new people, because Harvest normally gets new people.
Hey YouTube, look who's driving!
Oh no, we're gonna get talented dancer in here.
He is fully licensed. Oh, I think he missed that one. Can't find it, grind it.
Faster than the red one?
Yeah.
Well, that's going to be a wrap for today's video. Next video will most likely be spreading chicken litter and maybe a little bit more corn harvest. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.